नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, खुश रहो बिटिया। IJBN डॉक्टर नीलम चक्रवर्ती फ्रॉम ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. In today's session we are going about discuss the topic understanding progress and success. What is the corporate and governance code? So let's start the topic understanding progress and success. What is the progress? The progress is the movement and towards a refined, the improved or otherwise undesired the state or in the context of progressive and the ideas that advancement in the technology, science, and social organizations can result in an improved and human conditions. The latter may happen as a result of direct human actions as in social enterprise or through activism or as a natural part of social cultures evolutions. Now, the concept of the progress was introduced in the early 19th century social theories, especially social evolutions as described by Auguste Comte and Herbert or Spencer's, and it was present in the English instruments and philosophers of history as a goal, and social progress has been advocated by the varying and realms and of potentials ideologies and with the different theories on how it is to be achieved. Now, so discuss the success. We each and have a different visions for this word and what attending it would and do for us when defining the success, and there are a few thinkings to consider the accomplishment of an aim or purchase. The key part of the definitions is having the patience and to give yourself the power to reach the aim or the purchase and that you have set out to achieve. And how do you have the patience and to do so? By making sure that you decide you yourself and that you want to achieve, and if you let others decide and what this success and should be, when you are very unlikely to ever reach that success. Now discuss the corporate governance code. The corporate governance code applied unto corporations that are incorporated in the United Kingdoms and that are registered on the landlords and stock exchange overseas as the corporations and that are listed on the main market must disclose the subscriptional and ways in the which and their corporate governance practice and are difficult than the practice outlined in the corporate governance code. The principle behind the corporate governance code is the demonstrate to shareholders and stockholders how the corporations and applied the main principles of the code. In addition, and corporations that are the subject to the code must confirm and that they have fully and complied with the provisions of the code, and companies and that could not want and comply with the code and provisions must and provide a responsible explanations of why and they have not complied with the code. So corporate governance code, the using best practice and as the its foundations. The corporate governance code outlines the standards for the expectations for corporate boards in the protecting and shareholders' investments. The code refers to the standards for good practice and relating to board compositions and board development, remunerations, accountability and audit and shareholders relations. Thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you if you have any queries, we will discuss in problem solving. Thank you.